I got this boiler in not even 3 years ago, 10/26/2022, and this component is already leaking, and
Losing pressure as well.
yeah, it's become a problem. I can't even use this boiler to heat up my house anymore.
Or get the hot water.
Yeah.
What do you guys think about this Bosch? Bosch singular 5200 condensing boiler. What's your opinion about this product and about this company? Look at this corrosion. I was losing pressure constantly, and then I opened the front panel, and now I see the leak. Look at this leaking. What do you guys think about it?